Okay, today we're going to be making a professional SIG. This overlay. Okay. First, what you're going to want to do is collect some C4Ds and some renders off of Google Images or what's the site I use here? 1 second. I use planetrenders.net for my stock images. It's nice. I'll move it up here. Yeah. So that's nice. Then you don't have to erase the background. Works very well. Then, wrong one. What you're also going to want to do is you're going to save about 10 C4Ds. That should do you for this. So first we're going to place a C4D. What shall we use here? Or even better, we're going to place a render. Make it real big. Should be good. Place one there. Or we just make so it takes up lots of space there. Okay, there we go. Place that there. And what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate that. So move that over here. And take this, rasterize that, and duplicate the layer. Maybe do that twice. So take the second layer and move it over. Take the third layer, move it over even more. If you have a bigger image, you'll only have to do this to make 2 layers, but no, it's not that big. So then we're going to take all 3 of them and merge them. Merge layers, right click and merge layers on either one of them. There we go. And then we're going to take the layer we just made, duplicate that one, hide the top one, take the bottom one, and we're going to go to filter. Oh, wrong one selected. Okay, we're going to go to filter, distort, ocean ripple. Set that to like 1010. And then we are going to change that to dissolve. Take the opacity down to, or no, keep the opacity down. Or wait. Wrong one. Sorry. Put that back to just ocean ripple. Put that back to normal. Take your top layer and put that one on dissolve. And change the opacity down to like 50. And then we're going to merge, no, we're just going to take the top layer, filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and about 1 should do you. So now we have these 2 layers. Next what we're going to do is we're going to make a, or not even make a new layer, just hit File, Place, and get your your render that you're going to be using for your main person image and thing. I recommend a render because then you don't have to erase the background. So use chick with the guitar. Can't go wrong with that. Make it a nice size. Okay. that around 1 second. There we go. Okay, rasterize that. Next, we're going to add a C40, so File, Place. Let's see what's a nice one here. Start off with this. Simple. Start off with a simple one. Change that to. I'm actually gonna make it a little bigger. If it's got a black background, then you're gonna want to go change the layer thing to screen. I'm gonna flip that around. There we go. That looks much better. Erase a little bit of it. Now you're gonna want to rasterize that. Erase these. Okay. And, let's add another C4D. What's in this one we can start off with? Isn't this one? Okay. Is that bigger? Oop. And then remember to erase anything on, like right now it's just absolutely unexcusable. Erase all that and anything that is unneeded. Kind of like, no, I'm not gonna keep that. It doesn't look that well. So, let's blur. And bear with me for a second. Punch that out. That didn't work. It's taking much longer than I thought it would. Oh my god. There we go. Once again, clear that off. There we go. That took much longer than I thought it would. Okay. Now we're going to go to Layer. Oh, Image, and Apply Image. Keep the default settings there. Then on that one, we're going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Keep it at about 1 again. And we are going to erase off the render, because that just doesn't look that good. Change that down. There we go. Doesn't even have to be that close to it, because it's not going to render in the end. It's mainly